Olaplex No.7 and Moroccanoil Treatment are the perfect duo for smooth, shiny hair. First, Olaplex Bonding Oil. It repairs, strengthens and protects my hair while adding incredible shine. Olaplex No.7 Bonding Oil is lightweight, reparative, and perfect for protecting my hair from damage. Next, Moroccanoil Treatment Original. A classic oil, infused with argan oil for silky, soft, and frizz-free hair. Moroccanoil Original nourishes, smooths, and controls frizz. Ensure both oils are applied evenly to your lower hair. Gently blow dry to activate both treatments and reveal instant smoothness. These oils protect my hair from heat and control frizz. The result? Beautifully sleek, healthy-looking hair with natural shine. My hair is smooth and strong. Stunning. Olaplex No.7 and Moroccanoil Treatment Original are a perfect pairing for salon-quality hair at home.